This is a quick update on the ban of commercial motorcycle, popularly known as Okada, in some part of Delta State. I want to say that the ban is not affecting Ika South as earlier purported, and Ika Northeast is not fully covered by the ban. It's in some streets in Ika Northeast. Just listen keenly to the Secretary to the Delta State Government, Dr. Kingsley Emo, as he explains the content of the circular of the ban. Listen carefully. It's in some designated streets in some local government and not the whole state. Thank you.
Government has banned commercial motorcycles known as Okada and scrap metal scavenging, also known as iron condemn, in the capital Asaba due to high crime rates and vandalism incidents. The ban announced by the Secretary to the State Government, Dr. Kingsley Emo, will take effect strict enforcement starting on June 1. 2024. The ban also extends to other parts of the capital territory, including some areas not covered by the earlier ban. The ban is a response to the increase in crime rates in Okada.
On commercial motorcycle, popularly known as Okada, effective tomorrow, because it's a big week today for compliance. All Okada riders, commercial motorcycle, in Delta State Capital Territory Development Area, all the streets are banned for it. If you are caught, we confiscate, seize, destroy your Okada, as well as the other sanctions in terms of fines and a possible jail term. Huge security challenges that we have. Our people are openly violated, families are raped, and they run away very quickly on Okada. There are also other designated streets in Echo East, Ika Northeast, Oshimili North, Oshimili South, Sapele, Warrior, and Warri South local government area.